You guys are religious? Yeah? Somewhat, kind of, very liberal about your religion and your practices? Okay, yeah, that's cool. I still pray. I still believe in Christ and the Lord and all that. But one thing I can't do, since I'm a Catholic boy, I can't do the rosary. This is taking too long for me. I have places to go. It's too long. It takes too much of my time, But my grandmother, boy, she loves the rosary. Man, tries to make me pray with her anytime she can get, But I still pray, but I can't do the rosary. It's too damn long. So I remember the last time I prayed the rosary, she cornered me. She got my ass. Rex, come on, it's time to pray. Come on, it's time to. The Lord cannot wait. The Lord cannot wait. It's time to pray. Come on, the Lord cannot wait. I learned from that, and then I came up with a scheme. I did. I went to Walgreens and Home Depot, and I bought all the clappers. And I hooked them up to every electronic appliance in the house. Lights, VCR, -1 machine, you name it. It's off, okay? So the last time she asked me to pray with her the rosary was like this. Rex, come on, it's time to pray. Come on, the Lord cannot wait. Jesus Christ cannot hang around for you. Okay? But Lola, I can't pray. I can't do the rosary today. What do you mean you can't? Come on, don't come up with excuses. It's time to pray. It's time to pray. The Lord cannot wait. I'm sorry, Lola, I can't pray because last night I had a visitor when I was sleeping. And he said some magic words to me. What is this visitor? You allowed someone in the house? Huh? Without my permission? Huh? Yeah, Lola. Well, he came from the floor of my bedroom. He was a very dark figure with very large leathery wings. And he started to flap his wings slowly in my room. There's like a breeze. And then he started to, stop his foot. And I look at his foot and there's no foot. He has a goat feet, like a hoof. Like a hoof, Lola, like a hoof. What does that mean? And his eyes are glowing red. And he just whispers something to me. Christian boy. That's all he said. I don't know what that means, but all I remember is that now I have a special power of darkness. I was scared. You want to see? What is this special power of darkness? You're trying to get out of praying, huh? It's another one of those anti-Christian excuses. Come on, the Lord cannot wait. I show you, Lola. Clap. And everything went out. The place was dim, dark, cold, scary.
Lola. What do you think of me now?
Clap, clap. And the lights came back up. You are the devil child. You are Satan's spawn. I'm going to church and you are going to hell, asshole. Last day I did the rosary. What a way to go, huh?